friends, welcome to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today's recipe is going to be a pepperoni pizza with stuffed crust. It comes out delicious and you and your family will love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have jalapenos, string cheese, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, tomato sauce, the type that you like, and the main ingredient, my pizza dough, basic pizza dough that you already have in my channel. Let's get started. Let's start preparing this pizza. I am ready to prepare my pizza. I have my basic pizza dough here. To make, with this recipe, you make 2 large pizzas. Okay, I'm gonna start with one. Put it aside. My countertop is completely clean. I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose flour. Okay, and I'm gonna start with my dough. I'm going to add a little bit of flour to my rolling pin just so that it doesn't stick. Okay, and we're going to start by making our pizza base. Make sure that you are moving it around at all times so it doesn't stick. I like to do it this way. And then I turn it around. And if you need a little bit more of all-purpose flour, use it, because you don't want your dough to start sticking to your surface. Wow. Okay, at this point, we're just gonna roll it in. We're gonna put our pizza pan and we're gonna roll it back out. And then we are ready. Okay, when we have it like this, what we're gonna do is start adding our cheese, string cheese. We're gonna do it on the edges. And we're gonna pinch it down. And then just pinch it down this way. You wanna make sure that they are together, the string cheese. Gonna cut a little piece to add it here, and we're just gonna pinch it down so that it doesn't open. It's cooking. Okay, this part is done. This is so easy to prepare. I am ready to start adding my sauce, and be generous with your sauce. Okay, once you have it all around, we're gonna start by adding our cheese. And we are going to add our pepperonis. We're just gonna scatter them all everywhere. I love pepperoni, so this pizza is going to have a lot of pepperoni. I have my oven preheated to 450 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. But in the description box, I'll tell you exactly how many minutes I left it in there. My kids love this pizza, especially when it's homemade and they could put anything they want in it. I am finished with the pepperoni. What I'm gonna do at this point is I'm going to cut small pieces of my dough, only the edge of the dough, and I'm gonna turn it inside out. I'm gonna just switch it and turn it inside out. I'll show you right now how this looks. I just twist, making a right turn. About 2 inches. 2 inches of my string cheese. When I'm done, I will show you from close up so you could see how it looks. I love to personalize your pizza the way you do it at home. Look how beautiful this looks. We're gonna add some more cheese on the top of the pepperoni. Okay, this pizza is done. I want to show it to you from close up. Okay, this is how I cut the string cheese, the edges of my pizza. They're about 2 inches. You could do 1 inch if you would like, but this is how I do it. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it with your family. Look how beautiful this looks. We'll see when it comes out of the oven. My pizza is done. I have 1 whole egg here. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of just plain water, and I am going to mix it very well because this is going to be my egg wash. I'm gonna add it to all my edges of the pizza. Okay, let's see. We just need a little bit on them. We don't need too much. This is gonna give it such a beautiful brown color. We're gonna do one by one. We're gonna let our pizza dough rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we put it in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna let it rest, and I'll see you in about 10-15 minutes before I'm putting it in the oven. 415 to 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am ready to put my pizza in the oven. I know that you see everything different because I'm outside. I have an outdoor kitchen. So that's why this is different. But I am so ready to put it in the oven, and let's see how it comes out. But it's gonna go in the oven 450, and I'll see you when I'm taking it out. Of course, I don't want to warm up my house, warming all the stove, all the oven. No, 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 no. That's why I'm doing it outside. So I'll see you in a little bit. This is a pepperoni jalapeno stuffed pizza. My friends, I am ready with the pizza. Look how it came out. Perfect, delicious. But I made two pizzas. I made the pepperoni pizza stuffed with the cheese. And then I made a pepperoni with jalapeno. Stuffed, but I didn't do the edges because I wanted to give you two options. Okay, I am ready to taste this pizza. Let's see how it came out. It just came out of the oven. Look how delicious. Let's see. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Let's see how, oh my God, look all that cheese. Excuse me. This came out delicious, very delicious. I hope you could prepare it at home. And with a hibiscus fresh water that you already have in my channel, even more delicious. Thank you so much, my friends, for being here, for playing my video, for watching me from start to end. Thank you. I really appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, you are notified. Thank you so much. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I'll stay enjoying my pizza. Bye-bye.